How to hide birthday on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile, you'll find settings icon at the top right. Click on it. Then, in here you'll find birthday, which is the third option. Click on it. And at the bottom, you'll find birthday party. Make sure you click on the square box and make sure there's no tick mark. After there is no tick mark, it won't show birthday party. As you can see, this will add a sticker next to your name, display special birthday charm, help friends find and celebrate your birthday. So if there's no tick mark in there, it will simply hide your birthday. This is how to hide birthday on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.